Hi, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Akhila, pursuing undergraduation BSc MPCS in Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Degree College for Women at Rajana Sirsilla. Friends, we all are know why we are staying at the home. So commonly we can say due to the pandemic we are staying in the home. So we all know how the coronavirus can affect a person and what are the precautions we have to take and what are the symptoms when we are affected by the coronavirus. So I am giving a few important points regarding the coronavirus. So the coronavirus was identified in December 2019 at Wuhan city in China. After that, the World Health Organization is declared in March 2020 coronavirus is as a pandemic. And in this video, I am going to explain you about the global trends in corona vaccination and vaccination testing process. So friends, so many countries are discovering vaccines from the past 1 year to stop this coronavirus. So here is I am going to explain the major list of the countries against COVID-19. So here first we are going to say in this chart I am going to explain the primary developers, vaccine name, the how many trials it has been completed, and the which country is authorized and which institute it has been developed, and what is the efficacy rate of the vaccine. So first we are going the first and the foremost thing is the vaccine which is discovered is Pfizer BioNTech. It is discovered by the primary developers are Pfizer BioNTech, and the name of the vaccine is BNT162b2. It is mRNA based vaccine and it has completed 3 trial phases, and the authorized of the country is UK. Presently the whole world is looking forward for the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, and it is given in the 2 doses with the gap of 3 weeks for the each dose, and the efficacy rate of the vaccine is 95%, and the Pfizer and BioNTech company manufactures 1.3 billion doses for the end of the year 2021. And next one is Moderna. It is the name of the vaccine is mRNA 1273. It is also based on messenger RNA vaccine, and it is also completed 3 trial phases, and it is authorized by the countries US, and it is given in the 2 doses with a gap of 4 weeks for the each dose, and the vaccine efficacy rate is 94.5%, and the institute is developed the vaccine is Kaiser Permanente Washington Health Research Institute. Next, third one is Sputnik V vaccine. The name of the vaccine is Sputnik V, and it is also completed 3 phase trials, and the authorized of the country is Russia, and it is given in the 2 doses with the gap of 3 weeks for the each dose, and the efficacy rate of the vaccine is 91.4%, and the institute is developed by Gamaleya Research Institute of Russia. Next, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, and the name of the vaccine is AZD1222. It is based on the adenovirus, and it is also completed 3 trial phases, and the authorized country is UK, and the vaccine is given in 2 doses with the gap of 4 weeks for the each dose, and the efficacy rate of the vaccine is up to 90%, and the University of Oxford, the Jenner Institute, is going to develop the vaccines. Next, going to be CanSino Bio, and the name of the vaccine is AD5-nCoV, and it is based on the Ebola virus, and it is also now the virus it is in the 3rd phase trial, and the authorized of the country is China, and the dose is given in the single dose. The country with the China country which is given the single dose, and the efficacy rate is unknown because now it is in the 3rd phase trial, so the efficacy rate is unknown. Next, going to the 6th one, Johnson Johnson. The primary developer is Johnson Johnson, and the name of the vaccine is ADZC.COVID25. ADZC.COVID25, and it is also in the third phase trial. The authorized country is not yet be defined, and it is also given in the single dose, and the efficacy rate is also unknown because it is also in the third phase trial, and the institute also known. Next, which is our India is going to develop the vaccine is Covaxin, and the Covaxin is the Bharat Biotech collaboration with ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, is going to develop the vaccine is SARS-CoV-2, and now our India is in third phase trial, and the third phase trial is going to be run at AIIMS in New Delhi, and it is our dose is also given in 2 doses with the gap of 28 days, and it is developed by the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR. And in our India, the new digital platform has been started, that is to deliver the vaccination, that is CoWIN, and another vaccine is also came into the another vaccine is going to be developed, that is ZyCoV-D, and it is came into the force by mid of the summer. And next I am going to tell about the vaccination testing process. How the vaccination testing process? First, we have to know what is vaccine. A vaccine can stimulate body immune system to produce antibodies and fight off the disease. So all of you know what is the vaccine and what is the process of the vaccine. So here vaccination testing process. So if you want to give vaccine to a person, first we have to do preclinical testing. So in this preclinical testing, we will give the first vaccine to the cells, then after to the animals. If in both tests we will succeed, then we will go to the next stage. So now I am going to explain how the 3 trial phases can be developed. So first one, trial 1. Trial 1 is nothing but known as the safety trial. In this trial, we will give few of the people for the vaccine to check the dosage and the safety. In the second phase trial, we will give few groups of the people like children and the elders to check how the difference between children and the elders. In the third phase trial, we will give to the number of people and the thousands of people to check the vaccine is to develop the vaccine. We will give the number of people, how the rare side effect we will get, how to get the rare side effects we will do in that. And next, these all trials are going to be done by the Pfizer-BioNTech, and it is came into the force, the new vaccine which whole world is looking forward for the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. And now the vaccine can take place, the vaccine which can do the process is, first we have to register to be vaccinated. In the vaccination register, we have to give a passport valid size photo for the vaccine, and our all details could be in the CoWIN software. Next, we all know how to be. So when we get a first dosage, when we give the first dosage, they will keep observation of half an hour for us to check any side effects are producing in some person body. If any side effects are there, then we'll definitely give a major medicine, or they will took a major hospital for the treatment. If there is no side effect, they will send into the house. Further, in the gap of 28 days, the people who are vaccinated, they have to be keep hygienic themselves, and they have to be keep hygiene with the sanitizer or taking a good food to immunize themselves. And after the 28 days, again the second dose will be given to them. So this is the vaccination process, and we all are know vaccine which can stop the coronavirus. So all of you give hands for the who prepared for the vaccine of them. And thank you for all who supports me to do this video, and thanks a lot for my principal madam who supports me to do this video. And thank you for my guide teacher Prajuna madam who helps me a lot. And thank you for all. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.